Hello guys, and welcome to Naija News and Entertainment. Am I the one that killed your mother? Angry Mercy says as she rains curses on Thatcher and fans on Instagram Live. BB Naija 2019 winner Mercy AK has come out to strongly warn and place curses on fans of disqualified housemate Thatcher, popularly known as Titans, after Twitter user trended photos of Mercy's mom on social media, accompanied with a caption suggesting that she had passed away. Mercy got angry, beyond control, and she stormed her Instagram Live to confront fans of Thatcher head-on without holding anything back. She went as far as placing curses and insulting them with unprintable words. Mercy's sister had recorded a video earlier as well, expressing disappointment in the perpetrators of the act. Her sister was heard in the video saying, "Who did my mom offend? How can Thatcher and her toxic fans put up my precious mommy's picture and wrote gone too soon? RIP for what? What are we dragging? Can't they accept the fact that they lost out and move on? Why bringing my mom and I into this? What has Mercy done? Is she the first to win in this world?" Guys, let me know what you think about this dispute between Mercy and Thatcher in the comment section below. Thank you.